Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HubSpot to Asana for marketing follow-ups, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect HubSpot to Asana for marketing follow-ups, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your dashboard to access the settings. In the settings menu, find integrations in the left sidebar. Click on integrations to reveal available integration options. Look for Asana in the available integrations list. Select Asana to view the integration options. Click the Connect App button to start the integration process. You will be redirected to the Asana login page. Enter your Asana credentials to log in. Grant HubSpot the necessary permissions to access your Asana account. Once linked, return to HubSpot to finalize your integration settings. In HubSpot, navigate to your workflow tool. Create a new workflow or select an existing one. Add a new action to your workflow by clicking on the plus button. Choose Create Asana Task from the action options. Fill in the required fields like task name, project, and assignee. Customize any additional task fields as needed for your marketing follow-ups. Save your changes to the workflow. Test your workflow to ensure the HubSpot to Asana integration is functioning correctly. Monitor the results and make adjustments to task details as necessary. Utilize this integration to streamline your marketing follow-ups effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.